When did you start work?
2:30, I believe it was.
And who sent you out?
Maybe a little later. The city of Sacramento. Ron Gray has the contract, and he does the board ups for the city.
So tell us about what you've done from 2:30 to now 7:30.
The whole of Macy's, every entry was compromised. 13, about approximately, well, we're in such a hurry and there's so much work to be done that we're literally using self-tapping screws to get on with it. There's dozens of businesses that are compromised here in the city, and we're going to try to get as much of it as we can without bringing in, but I think more crews are on the way from different outfits.
You've been working all night at Macy's?
Pretty much, yeah. Just me and him been doing, I mean, every entryway was compromised, every one.
They tried to burn it down.
They did, they started a fire somewhere in there. So.
And then where do you go next?
I think we're supposed to really be going to Bevmo, and then I heard that Frank Fat's had 17 of their windows broken out all the way around the block. That's awful. There's so many, they showed me a list. It's a massive list of businesses. So.